In this review of Echo, a product launched today in Warrior Plus, I will show you everything you need to know about this new product, the sales page, the price, the pros and cons, and my honest review at the end of this video. But before we start, if you're interested in affiliate marketing tips and the latest products and software reviews, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and don't forget to hit the notification bells. Now let's get started. So first, what is Echo? Echo is a no-selling system to borrow hot YouTube videos of others, collect never-ending traffic to monetize without a boatload of work. Echo is perfected by Sean Joshua. As they said, Echo is what you need to solve your traffic problem, which equals in that you solve other problems too. It's work on any saturated niche. It's like a self-driving Tesla, except it's making you hands-free profits. Plus, Echo doesn't need either constant maintenance or recurring fees. Stop overthinking and take that next step to make lots of passive income every single day. Echo is perfect for affiliate marketers, .com, Amazon, freelancers, website owners, social media marketers, local businesses, or any other kinds of online businesses. So this is some pros of Echo. Brand new cloud-based traffic software, drive unlimited free viral traffic, make effortless affiliate sales 24 hours 7 days a week without any content creation or work required. One click sends traffic over and over again, solves your problem of making money online, 100% legal, 100% beginner friendly, no additional cost, and of course 13-day money back guarantee. And for the cons, the product have no cons at this moment. And here in the sales page, shocking discovery, $681 billion industry traffic glitch, weird one-click software delivers tsunami of free bio traffic that make us $1,201 per day, even if you are a complete beginner with no experience or website. And they say there are 3 steps to use Echo. Step number 1, set up your profile, add a few simple details including your affiliate ID. Step number 2, select a niche, select from our list of high converting niches and create a promo using existing content. And step number 3, click for traffic, click one button and Echo will set up plus 20 viral traffic sources that deliver waves of traffic to your links. So now let's see Echo from inside.
Go ahead and click on any link around this page, alright, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care.
And for the bonuses, there is 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, 1,493 a day jumpstart internet marketing kit, worth $997. The bonus number 2, 0 to 500 a day in 13 days, value $497. The bonus number 3, $486 per day, set a forget and blocking system, worth $297. The bonus number 4, 13 days list explosion income, worth $997. And the bonus number 5, and this is the last bonus, 16 seconds final profits mastery, value $1,297. So you will get Echo web app, Echo built and traffic, 1.5 billion user traffic sources access, Echo auto traffic machine builder, and all the bonuses worth $6,673, all in one-time pay, no monthly fees for $17. Besides, you will have 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem or you don't like the product. So guys, if you want Echo, the link in the description below, and of course if you see this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.